Harxon Smart Antenna Troubleshooting Guide. Harxon prepares a brief troubleshooting guide to help users solve some simple problems by themselves while using Smart Antenna TS112 series and TS108. Question 1. The power indicator is not on. This may be caused by reverse connection of the power cord, or the power supply voltage is above the limited voltage range 8V30V. Please check the power cord or the power supply voltage. Question 2. Data transfer failure of the serial port. When this happens, it means you choose the wrong baud rate. Please return to the connection interface and choose the right baud rate. Question 3. Smart antenna reboots repeatedly. The input voltage of smart antenna is low and cannot meet the needs of normal operation, so it reboots repeatedly. There are two possible reasons: the power supply voltage is too low, or the voltage loss of the power cord is too large. Please raise the power supply voltage or change another power cord. Question 4. Empty GGA messages output. Maybe there's no satellite signal, or the RF cable is loose, or the smart antenna is damaged. Please move the device to an open space. If it still doesn't work, please ask the sales manager for help. Question 5. Positioning mode frequently switches between DGPS and point positioning. Poor positioning accuracy during Rtk mode. Rtk fix cannot be realized when using Ntip service. These three problematic scenarios might occur when smart antenna is used in bad weather, or where there is microwave interference or obstruction like trees and buildings nearby. Please avoid the above scenarios and try again. Question 6. SBAS cannot be used. To solve this problem, please have your board firmware upgraded to HGP 1.30. Question 7. Positioning output is not smooth. Turn on the slide function and it will be solved. Question 8. There's no CAN output. If this happens to TS112, check if GGA, GSA, OMC are turned on together. If this happens to TS108, first check if the CAN baud rate is 250 kV. If there is still no CAN output, the CAN module may be damaged. Question 9. It's very slow when using the configuration tool. There might be something wrong with the Windows system settings. Please check about the Windows system settings or channel another computer for another try. Windows. Question 10. When NMEA data is set at 10 Hz, the message output is unstable. This means 4 systems are being used for Rtk calculation. Please turn off BDS positioning system. Question 11. There's large position deviation after turning on terrain compensation function. Smart antenna is mounted on tractor without EMU calibration. Please start EMU calibration and try again. Question 12. Coordinate position cannot be set with the base station. The set coordinates exceed the antenna positioning output range 15 meters. Question 13. Rtk positioning often fails with the Motive mobile phone plus Ntip plus Bluetooth plus smart antenna. The Bluetooth debugging data of the antenna is turned on and affects the Bluetooth reception. Please turn off Bluetooth debugging data and try again. Question 14. The Ntip server cannot be logged in. There are many reasons that can account for the problem. 1. No SIM card. 2. SIM card doesn't have the internet access. 3. The 4G module is damaged. 4. Something goes wrong with the Ntip account. 5. Weak external 4G signal and low communication rate. Please check the 5 aspects in turn. Question 15. The Bluetooth device cannot be scanned after modifying. Restart the smart antenna and it will take effect. Question 16. There's no NMEA output after upgrading the board. The serial port baud rate of the board is restored to the default value, inconsistent with that of the device side. Please keep the baud rates consistent with each other. If you are troubled by the fault not listed in this video, or the fault cannot be resolved as directed, please feel free to contact us via sales@harxon.com and we'll reply as soon as possible.